What's up, everybody, and welcome to the Sean Wayne. Today I'm going to be showing you how, I know everybody likes PUBG, so I'm going to be showing you how to download PUBG Mobile on your PC. I know everybody's been wanting to do that, and I have a couple videos on my YouTube of me and my buddy Chris. We'll be playing it and stuff, and I got a couple videos on there how to do it, or playing it. So first of all, you're going to go to this website, which I will link in this. It's going to be the first link in the description. You'll go to this link, so I'm bringing you to this website. It's all plain and simple. All you do is just hit the download button. And of course, it's going to ask you where you want to download it, and just hit click save. I just created a new folder in one of my hard drives called PUBG Mobile. Or yeah, PUBG M, whatever it was. Of course, it's going to download. And you're just going to click open, and you're going to minimize this after you click yes, and just minimize your browser. It's going to ask you to install. Just click install. It'll also ask you if you want to add an icon, so you just click start, and it'll add an icon to your desktop. Now it's installing the engine. It does take a good second to download. Depending on your internet, it will take a little bit longer. So just if it downloads really slow, it's normal. It used to download really slow, but I have really good internet now, so that's why it downloads pretty fast. Then it'll go through the install. And once it's done, it'll ask you what you want to put your resolution on. I have a really good PC, so I usually put it on Ultra HD 2K, but if you're on like a laptop or something, I don't know what you're going to be playing on, but if you're on a laptop or something, you might want to play in 720. It'll probably help the game. It'll run faster and all that good stuff. But I'm going to click Ultra, save, and you're just going to click restart, and it's going to restart. And this shows you all your controls right over here to the right and what you're going to use. But it's just like a normal PUBG game, so I usually just exit, and then you can make I think you can make it full screen right here. Boom. Yep. Now it's full screen, and you're able to play PUBG Mobile on PC. It should ask you to log in, like if you log in with your Facebook or your Google, or you just a guest account or whatever. That's what you'll do. That's what you're going to do. And F11 is to minimize it. I know a lot of people don't know that, but F11 is to bring it back to Windows mode, and you just come back over here and click full screen again and when you want to go in full screen. See right here, it's going to ask you to log in with your Twitter or your Facebook. It used to ask for your Google account, but I do not see that anywhere. I think it's more, yeah, play games and guest. And bam. You now have PUBG Mobile on your PC, which is really fun. And it does tell you this, but as me and my friends have come to a conclusion that this really doesn't portray the game in any way. You're still playing against mobile players or emulators. I don't even know how many people are playing with emulators, but you just click OK, and it's going to say your system requirements. And I got it on high, so you just go down through here, and then bam, you're in the game. Now you can play PUBG Mobile on PC, and that is it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video, please put a fat thumbs up on it. Thank you so much, and we'll see you later.